Hello out there, everyone. This video is for one of my subscribers that wants to see my newest acquisition, which is not my president. Well, it is a president. HR-2510. I got this when doing some trading with a friend of mine in Virginia. Kind of quiet out there today. My friends on Channel 6. Somebody throwing a key on 19 as usual. They've been doing it all day. I think somebody's sitting on a microphone or something. Pretty quiet out there today. Let's try another band. You see the band changing there. Anyway, I'm just learning its ins and outs right now, and when I figure it out real well, I'll make some more videos and I'll post them here. Thanks for watching, everyone.